So here we've actually taken this panel off and we've put in two USB chargers. These are the covers for them here. So we've got two there, two here. The small panel comes out, but you do have to pull the whole giant panel off. And once you get the whole panel off back here, there's going to be two 10mm back here. And you'll see those when we show you the back. So here's how we have those wired up. We've got our negative, positive, positive, negative. They're flipped different directions, so that's why they're off there. They're hooked up to the factory cigarette lighter right here. There's a positive and negative wire that you can see right there. We've done the same coloring for these. And this will be powered on with accessory, and so both of these will be powered on as well.